Today's our recipe, the broken glass jelly pudding, is a very easy recipe that anyone can make. For this dessert, we need jelly to be more thicker than we normally eat. So let's make this jelly by putting less amount of water than mentioned in the packet. Today for this pudding, I got 4 colors. You can get any number of colors and flavors as you like. After making all jelly, we need to keep them in the fridge until well set. After that, sprinkle gelatin on water. Whisk it with a fork and keep it around 7 to 8 minutes until gelatin absorbs water. Then we need to pour condensed milk into a pan. Heat this milk under medium heat while stirring continuously. When milk starts bubbling, add vanilla, mix it well and then get the pan out of the stove. Then double boil gelatin and mix it well. Add gelatin to the condensed milk, mix it very well and then let it cool down completely. Now we need to cut jelly into pieces. Put all jelly pieces into one bowl and mix the colors. Get your pudding bowl and pour little bit of milk to the bottom. After that, put some jelly. Then again put some milk and then add jelly. Repeat this until all jelly and milk is over. Now we need to keep this pudding in the fridge until well set. When the pudding is ready, you can serve it any way you like. See you soon with another delicious video. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.